everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we provide you with all the latest tips and tricks for the Quest 2! In today's video, we'll be showing you how to reset your Wi-Fi connection on the Quest 2. If you're having issues with your Wi-Fi connection, don't worry. This video will help you troubleshoot the problem. Step 1. Turn off the Quest. The first thing you need to do is turn off your Quest 2. To do this, simply hold down the power button until the power options menu appears. From there, select power off and wait for the device to turn off completely. Step 2. Open the settings menu. Next, turn the Quest back on and open the settings menu. To do this, select the gear icon located on the right-hand side of the main menu. Step 3. Select it. Once you're in the settings menu, select the Wi-Fi option. Step 4. Forget Wi-Fi network. Now, you need to forget your Wi-Fi network. To do this, select the network you're having issues with and then select Forget. Step 5. Restart the Quest. After forgetting the Wi-Fi network, restart your Quest by turning it off and then back on. Step 6. Reconnect the Wi-Fi. Once the device has restarted, go back to the Wi-Fi settings menu and select your Wi-Fi network. Enter your password and wait for the Quest to connect to your Wi-Fi. Conclusion?
2,000 years later.
And there you have it, folks. That's how you reset your Wi-Fi on the Quest 2. If you're still having issues with your Wi-Fi connection, make sure to contact Oculus support for further assistance. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Quest 2 tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.